Hey, guys. When you get a new iPhone, how to use the backup to restore data. This is the PassFab channel. This video will show you to restore iPhone 14 from backup. First, set the language and region of your iPhone. Choose to connect to the available Wi-Fi and enter the password. Select Create Face ID and Passcode. The Apps and Data page has 4 ways to transfer data. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Type in your Apple ID and password to sign in. Verify your Apple ID. OK, choose the iPhone backup. Continue to set up the iPhone. Wait for the restore to complete. Then after the iPhone restarts, the apps and photos will finish loading. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.